Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Bamita and I'll be your Korean trainer for today. So in the last class, we learned about Yaksok or promises and appointments. Today we are going to continue with the topic and learn a few more ohi and 문법, vocabulary and grammars. So starting off with ohi for today, our first ohi is e and g. E is this, g is that. So if I want to say this apple, I can say E sagwa, this apple. If I want to say that apple, we can use 그 sagwa, that apple. E 그. Next we have 조금. 조금 is a little bit of something. Okay. Then we have 가장. 가장 is the most. I can say 가을을 가장 좋아해요. I like autumn the most. 가장. And we have 정말. 정말 is really. So 정말 can be used in various contexts. I can say 가을을 정말 좋아해요. I really like autumn. And I can also use 정말요. Really? Is that true? Yes, in wonder or in surprise. 정말. Okay. For that context also I can use 정말. Then we have 빠르다. 빠르다 is to be fast, to be quick. 아요, 어요, 해요. 빠르다 becomes 빨라요, 빨라요. Yes, this is an exception. Please keep in mind, 빠르다 becomes 빨라요. Something is quick, something is fast. Okay, then we have 고향. 고향 is hometown. 고향. Just in case you're wondering that there is a drama, hometown cha-cha-cha. Right? 고향. So hometown in Korean is 고향. But the original name of the show is actually 갯마을 차차차. 갯마을 is a seaside village. 갯마을. Now how am I writing this? 갯마을. 갯마을 차차차. Then we move on to 고궁. 고궁 is an old palace. 궁 is a palace. 고궁 would be an old palace. Then we move on to 박물관. 박물관 is a museum and this would be pronounced as NG. Yes, so the pronunciation becomes 박물관. 박물관, a museum. Then we have 미술관. 미술관 is an art gallery. 미술 is art. 미술관 would be an art gallery. Then we have 산. San is a mountain or a hill. San. We move on to 바다. 바다 is used for a sea, beach, ocean. 바다. Okay. Then we have 강. 강 is a river. We know about river Han that is in Seoul. So 한강. I can say to say river Seoul, river Han. I can say 한강. Okay. Then we move on to 사진을 찍다. 사진을 찍다. 사진 is a photo, right? 찍다 is to click a photo. So 사진을 찍어요. I use 어요 with 찍다. 사진을 찍어요. I click a photo. Now we move on to 문법 for today. And thankfully we have already done this 문법. Verb plus 아요, 어요, 해요. We've already done this. It's the same rules that we use for the present tense. 아요, 어요, 해요. But the context here would differ. The context is let's do something. Let's do something together. Let's do this. Let's do that. Right? Now let's just brush up the rules that we learned. Starting with words ending with a and o. Of course, after eliminating dha. Dhada, eliminate dha, gha plus ayo. We use ayo with words ending with a and o. So this becomes ghayo. Let's go. Then we have bhoda, eliminate dha. I am bho plus ayo. Bhoayo. Let's watch. 보다 becomes 봐요. So 봐요. Let's watch. 영화를 봐요. Let's watch a movie. Next one. 만나다. 만나 plus 아요. 만나요. Let's meet. Yes. Let's do some verb together. Okay. Next one, we have O, U, E and other consonants. That is, of course, after eliminating tha. We use oyo in such cases. So, mog plus oyo, mogoyo, let's eat. Mogoyo. Then we have 배우다, to learn. 배우 plus oyo, 배워요. Eliminate tha. U, o becomes wo. So, 배워요. Let's learn. And we have 마시다, to drink. So E plus O becomes yo. So 마셔요. Let's drink. Okay. Now moving on, we go to hada words. Hada changes to 해요. Right? So let's do hada, to do. 해요. Let's do. 일하다, 일해요. Let's do work. 일해요. Then we have 공부하다. 공부하다, to study. 공부해요. Let's study. Now let's see a few example sentences. 같이 식당에서 저녁을 먹어요. Let's have dinner together at the restaurant. 한국어를 같이 공부해요. Let's study Korean together. 민수 씨, 오늘 바다에 같이 가요. Let's go to the beach together. Okay. Now moving on, let's have a look at this conversation. Julie is saying, 마크 씨, 우리 저녁에 영화 볼까요? Shall we watch a movie together in the evening? 네, 좋아요. 우리 몇 시에 가요? At what time shall we go? Right? 6시는 어때요? How about 6 o'clock? 어때요? How is it? So, how is 6 o'clock? 조금 빨라요. 빨라요, to be early, to be quick. 조금, a little. So, this person is saying it's a little early. 7시는 어때요? How about 7 o'clock? 괜찮아요. It's okay. 영화관 앞에서 만나요. Let's meet in front of the movie theater. 만나요. Let's meet. Yes. And 같이 밥도 먹어요. 도 also. Let's have a meal together also. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of Yaksok. 감사합니다. I'll see you in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.